Exodus Wallet is a user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that supports a variety of cryptocurrencies. Here's a guide on how to use it. Download and install. Download the Exodus Wallet app from the official website or app store. Install the app and open it on your device. Set up your wallet. Upon opening the app, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Set a strong password to secure your wallet. Write down the 12-word recovery phrase provided during setup. This is essential for wallet recovery in case you lose access. Add cryptocurrencies. Exodus supports a wide range of assets. Tap on the Assets tab to view available cryptocurrencies. To add a new cryptocurrency, click Add, search for the asset and enable it. Send and receive crypto. To receive crypto, select the coin, click Receive and copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. To send crypto, tap Send, enter the recipient's address, the amount to send, and confirm the transaction details. Exchange cryptocurrencies. Exodus has a built-in exchange feature. Go to the Exchange tab, select the cryptocurrencies to swap, and complete the transaction.